With 3 ways to install and the simple control of the 3-button design, the Rc3 offers a versatility you want and need while riding. Clip the device directly on your right sleeve, or attach it to the body of your motorcycle with either the adhesive type mount or the loop and fastener type mount to have full control of your Sena Bluetooth communication gear. With a battery life of about 5 months, you'll no longer have to reach to your helmet to intercom, answer calls or change a song again. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality. Much better than the clip-on handlebar remote that came with the 10U. Not sure how it'll do when it gets wet on top of the tank. Easy to use and great battery life. This remote has been working quite well for me. I normally attach it to the front of my jacket. Tried it mounted to the bike, but didn't like it as much. Of the clutch reservoir cover, which makes it an easy reach. It works as advertised and I'm very. I stuck it on top of the clutch reservoir cover, which makes it an easy reach. It works as advertised and I'm very happy with it.